Fridays in this house is always for rice for lunch. Sometimes I cook fried rice, jollof rice, vegetable rice, but today I didn't even know what to cook. I was not expecting to cook fried rice. I opened the freezer and I saw this laps of chicken. I took it, wash it, cleanse it, and blend some pepper, onions, garlic, ginger, with other ingredients that I used to cook. So I blend everything smoothly like this. This is how it came out. Pour it on top of the chicken, raise the blender cup, and allow it to marinate for some time before I start cooking it. Like this, your chicken will absorb all those juice and you will definitely enjoy it. So as I was saying before, I did not actually know how I'm going to cook this rice, but I know that I was preparing rice. Okay, no problem. First of all, the chicken have to be cooked. Now it's very well cooked. I'm going to remove them and transfer them directly to the air fryer. I will fry them or air fry them, and after that I was still thinking about what to do with this rice of a thing. Have you ever happened to you like that you want to prepare something and you don't even actually know what you're preparing? But the fact is that you know you are preparing something. That is what happened to me on that certain day. After everything, I decided to cook fried rice. But you know now, cooking fried rice is not for the heart fainted. You have to cut your carrot and your vegetable. I was thinking, how can I going to prepare this in just in 30 minutes or 1 hour? Because I know I was already running behind schedule. I said, okay, I have some vegetables in the freezer and it was freshly cut. There's no problem. It's only carrot that is remaining. And I go ahead and started cutting carrot. By this time, I've already finished, cutting them and set them aside. So this is the stock that I have in the pot. I'll be adding this stock. Believe me, this stock is very good. Buy the one that was not, that doesn't have any conservative in it. So that is it. I'll pour them in the rice. Remember, this broth we have in the pot already is the one that I marinated from the chicken, and we don't need to add many things. So allow it to cook. Once the rice is almost done, we are going to add these vegetables. You see, this is to tell you how lazy, how indecisive I was on that very day. I was not actually sure of what I wanted to make. So I packed every vegetable that was already pre-cut, pour them in the rice and stir them. See, sometimes this type of fried rice that look moist, they come out very tasty. To make a very good fried rice, you must definitely fry that rice and vegetable. Stir fry it on your pan. But this time, or today, I was not in that mood. I was running behind schedule and I have to prepare this food before the kids come back from school. And I was tired, being that I've been doing so many things on that Friday. Okay, this food is as good as ready, and this rice, we enjoyed it with coleslaw, and that is it. Thank you for listening to my story, and please like and subscribe. Bye.